What is up, guys? Welcome back. We have a lot to talk about in today's video, so I want to get right into it. But before I do, make sure you guys do like, subscribe, comment down below what you guys want to see next. And then also, if you guys are new, welcome. Go ahead and click that link in the description below to check out our Discord. I have a few important points to hit on that. But first, I want to go ahead and go over my position along with my alert for Discord. Quickly going over my alert for Discord here. This is in our free chat, in our free play here. I can actually show you guys what channel it's in. It's completely free right here, You can see that I alerted this morning. Free play took 75 shares of ASTS long, targeting 56 and 76. Right here, this is the exact long that I took this morning. About 20 minutes later, I posted this up around $100. And then now we'll go ahead and take a look where I'm up $396. I was up around 450 at one point today, but this is a really great return on just one day. I am working on getting a few more shares in there. I do have around 83 by now. I do want to get up to 100 by maybe the end of the day. I'm looking for a little bit of a pullback. We'll see if we get that. If not, I'm totally fine with buying where we're at today. But let's go ahead and get into the charts here. You can see ASTS is looking very, very strong. They had an insane, strong bullish wedge forming for quite some time, actually. This is on the weekly chart. So this was probably about, maybe 6 months worth of sideways price action, but it's totally paying off. I wish I would have started dollar cost averaging into this stock a little bit sooner, but this explosion coming out of this is really going to pay dividends for us. You can see that we bounced perfectly off this 50 EMA in the golden zone. That's probably the most bullish thing that you could possibly happen, especially coming out of a wedge like this. You can see we had this huge run up, and then I have this leg targeted for our next leg up, which is going to take us to a stunning price target of around $95 by end of the year. My base target here is going to be 52.27 and then 73.82 at that 2618. We'll go ahead and go over some targets here. My average price is around $27. So drawing from my average price, you can see that even at that 1618, we have an average return of 108%. Guys, this can come in, next week by maybe next week or the week after, we could actually already see that 100% return. This stock is really going to move quickly, much like Oklo, which I've been in and I've alerted a lot in our premium group chat, where I do have 100 shares of Oklo, and that has gone over 100%, 160% year to date, actually. And then drawing up to our 2618, where my main price target would be, this would be up 195% from where we are today, which would be an insane return. And then going even further, you can see that we have a 280% price target for the end of the year. This is kind of on the bullish side. I do expect 73 to be hit 110%. But if this is the third wave of this move, hypothetically, we should see that 3618 push all the way up to that $95 price range. And to talk even more about ASTS here, you can see we are beautifully curling on this MACD down here, and then also with the TTM squeeze, we are also looking beautifully bullish. So I do really like to think that after this stock does break all-time highs, probably this week, that we will see 52 come by probably the end of March is what I would say to be conservative. But I do think that that's something that could happen by maybe late February. We see $52, and then by the end of March, we could see 72. This thing is really explosive. You got to understand, when wedges are getting formed like this, the longer that they take, the stronger that they are coming out. So this stock is really going to explode. You are not late at all. I would buy this stock anytime under all-time highs. And honestly, I would buy anytime under like 45-ish. That would be pushing it. But I think get all your shares that you can now, and then start to dollar cost average on the way up maybe. I think that's a strong outlook for what this stock is probably going to do. But also talking about what this stock is, guys, they are a space company, but they are also working on onboarding with T-Mobile, talking about how T-Mobile just had their ad release with SpaceX, and people weren't too happy with that. So they are really going to switch over to ASTS here. You can see that they're doing other stuff outside of that. But my main catalyst for this is with rocket stocks, space stocks in general, like Rocket Lab, Lunar, ASTS, etc. People don't know where these are going to go. It's the same with computing. They're definitely going to be worth more than what they're worth right now, at like $2 to $5 billion market cap. They're definitely going to be worth more. So that gives me strong conviction to hop in. But what gives me even stronger conviction is, since we don't know what these are going to be worth, obviously these companies are going to be worth more than that $5 billion market cap that they have today. But this could be what if this is the next big thing for, space? And what if space in 10 years' time is, the hot topic? Maybe it's the new semiconductor. Maybe it's the new quantum, etc. But maybe, just maybe, one of these companies that we pick from, with Oklo, maybe in the nuclear sector, maybe that sector blows up. That's something that is going to be of high value in the coming years. Same with ASTS here. You can see a market cap sprint up to maybe 100 billion within, the next decade, and you've, 10, 20 extra money from where we are today. And that would actually be around a 20x from where we are right now at that $5 billion market cap. So I have a strong conviction to continue to keep buying these shares, even if they are at a little bit higher of a price. I think $39 is dangerously cheap for a stock like this. With valuations like this, we can go ahead and look at what analysts are predicting, and they're predicting a $53 price target at the highs and a $34 price target at the average, with $15 at the low. And then even on quantum here, it looks pretty good. But switching back over to the chart here, you can see that we are insanely bullish here. I do like to continue to buy shares under all-time highs, and I think you guys should too. I have alerted all of my premium members and that free chat. So that is really going to be it for me, guys. That was a quick update on ASTS. Make sure if you guys do want to get in on some of these plays that we have alerted for free in the Discord, for 100% free, make sure you guys do click the link down below. It'll send you guys to that Discord, and you guys can go ahead and join up for free. Hopefully I'll see you guys in there, and I'll see you guys in the next video.